Okay, let me set the scene. It's 1954 in Chicago. The city is buzzing, families are picnicking by the shimmering waters of Lake Michigan, and it's just another beautiful day. But then, out of nowhere, the lake rises up like something out of a disaster movie. A 10-foot wall of water smashes into the shore. 7 people are lost in seconds. But this wasn't a tsunami. This wasn't an earthquake. It was a seiche, and it left scientists everywhere absolutely baffled. So, what on earth is a seiche? Picture a giant bathtub. Now imagine you nudge one end, and the water sloshes back and forth. That's basically what a seiche does, except the bathtub is the size of a Great Lake. Seiches happen when air pressure or wind suddenly shifts, sending waves bouncing from one side to the other. Sometimes even earthquakes set them off. Think of it as nature's version of a giant waterbed, and sometimes it gets rowdy. On June 26, 1954, a freak storm rolled over Lake Michigan. The pressure dropped fast, the wind hit just right, and the perfect sloshing conditions were met. But nobody saw it coming. In less than 15 minutes, that wave tore across Chicago's lakefront, sweeping people and cars alike. The city had never seen anything like it, and honestly, neither had the world. Meteorologists scrambled to figure out what happened. Using radar, weather maps, even bits of old-school technology, they realized the wave wasn't just a fluke. It was a seiche, ricocheting off the shores of Lake Michigan, building power with every bounce. Since then, we've spotted seiches around the globe, in Norway's fjords, Switzerland's Lake Geneva, and even Japan. But few have been as fast, or as deadly, as the one that battered Chicago. These days, scientists keep a close eye on our lakes. High-tech buoys, satellites, and radar scour the water for signs of seiche activity. We're better at spotting them. But here's the wild part. Seiches are still wildly unpredictable. In 2008, a seiche on Lake Erie flooded entire neighborhoods before anyone knew what hit them. So, next time you're strolling by a glassy lake, remember, it might look peaceful, but under the right conditions, that water can turn savage in seconds. The 1954 Seiche taught us a lesson. Water remembers, and every now and then, it pushes back. If this blew your mind, hit like, subscribe, and check out my other wild science stories. Trust me, the world is way stranger than you think. Stay curious, and I'll see you next time.